Here is the list of the best 15 plus summarizing tools available online in 2021. These tools helped many bloggers, writers, and journalists as auto-summarizers to make their content evergreen and more engaging. The best part? Along with the list of best tools, we also mention their features, pros, and cons to help you choose the best tool according to your requirements. These are the best tools of 2021 when it comes to summarizing your content. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. For those who don't know how these tools work, let's discuss. What are summarizing tools? These tools are AI-based tools that shorten long text into short ones for better understanding. They convert your long sentences into short ones without changing your context. The summarized text usually consists of key sentences that overview the entire context. Hope you know now how these tools work for you. So let's move to our list of best summarizing tools of 2021. This is the list, and now take a look at their features, pros, and cons. In our list, there is the tool called Smmry, which is the most popular tool in this field. Let's take a look at the tool. 1. Smmry. Smmry tool works on various essential factors and gives you the best key topics that make your work easier. The tool effectively filters your content and presents essential factors, key themes, and ideas for rapid interpretation. You can use the tool very easily to analyze and summarize any text at any time. You can summarize any text very easily by copying and pasting it into this tool, and you can also use the extension of this tool. You have to be online to use both methods. This tool does not work without the internet. Smmry tool makes it easy for you to study because this tool summarizes your document or any format and gives you a good summarized version. Its interface is very simple, fast, and full of features. You can shorten or enlarge your summary according to your requirement. You can control the summary process according to yourself. Also, if you want to undo any of the changes you make by mistake, then here you can easily do this too. Apart from this, you can summarize the content of any language because it supports many languages. Languages like French, German, Spanish, and Italian are also supported in the tool. One of the best features of Smmry is its paraphrasing feature. In case you want to paraphrase any of the summaries, you can use it easily, but it has a limit where you can paraphrase argumentative text only. Features of Smmry, available in paid, free, support multi-language. Paraphrasing tool, you can import files or documents easily. Pricing of Smmry, you will get your monthly plan, €4.90, annually, €39.90. Pros and cons of Smmry. Pros of Smmry, available in both free and paid versions and works well in both. You can summarize your content in any language because it supports multiple languages. They have their Google Chrome extension. Cons of Smmry. You can import files only in its paid version. You have to copy and paste your text in the free version. Second one is App Zaza Article Summarizer. App Zaza tool is easy to use. Here you can use it without any registration. You have to copy and paste any text element here. Its summarizer automatically generates a summary, using text analysis and algorithms. In the app, you get to see the auto TLDR generator along with the paraphrasing tool, which helps to sum up any paragraph text document directly in the browser. App Zaza is most beneficial when you summarize simply well-structured records. Tools can summarize only copy-paste text. Here you can't import or export files in any popular format. There are other amazing tools in their platform that can be useful for you. Pros and cons of App Zaza. Pros of App Zaza works best when you want to summarize a well-formatted document. Cons of App Zaza. Here you don't get the best results that Smmry can provide to you. Number 3 is Scholarkey. Scholarkey is an online summary tool that breaks your text into smaller sections in seconds, allowing you to easily access and read your document. This tool is the most commonly used tool by students, researchers, and other professionals to quickly and easily understand the main points of any document or paper. Using this tool, you can also get an instant summary very easily. You can get the summary of any format given here, the report, document, or article in Word or PDF format. The tool connects to free passage versions of mentioned sources, and you can configure it to extort reports, figures, and pictures. Along with that, Scholarkey helps you define the arguments, speed up your reading, and find the main points of any paragraph. The tool has your Chrome extension, which provides you a chance to use its features in one click. Scholarkey is the favorite summarizer of graduate or undergraduate students because of its quick services. summary, paraphrasing, etc. The main feature of this tool is that it finds out the table of calculation or other, and the main thing is that you can make changes in the table and run your calculations. Features of Scholarkey. This tool is also available in free or paid versions. The tool suggests background reading. The tool highlights important points in the text. The reference summary is created by this tool. As I mentioned above, you can extract tables and figures. Pricing of Scholarkey, monthly, $7.99, annually, $72. Pros and cons of Scholarkey. Pros of Scholarkey. You get to see the best features of this tool. Its paid version is the best combo when it comes to summarizing your content. Good support system. You get to see a free trial before buying any plan. This tool is value for money, and most writers of any field use this tool to better their content. Cons of Scholarkey. This tool is free for a limited time after you have to pay for continuing your services. The best features are under its paid plan. Our fourth tool of this list is Simplify. If you want an ad-free user experience, then Simplify summarizing tool is a great option. Here you get a tool that comes in the form of a Chrome extension. In this tool you do not get the word limit, which is another good feature of it. This tool scrapes section titles and bodies from the currently running tab by applying jQuery. This tool simplifies your lengthy articles and presents them to you by distributing them in short paragraphs, even if it is a news article. The drawback of this tool is that you can only use this tool only in Google Chrome, and you are not able to import or export files in the Simplify tool. Features of Simplify. Breaks down sentences according to Google PageRank factors. Select the highest ranking connections to generate a summary. Pros and cons of Simplify. Pros of Simplify. Free to use, available in Chrome extension. Helps to summarize long text like newsletters, etc. Best works only in Chrome browser. Cons of Simplify. Free but not so popular. The tool is not regularly updated. You can only use this tool in a Chrome browser. 5. Quillbot. Quillbot is another web-based summarizing tool that does a great job of converting any textual form into an informative summary. This is a very effective tool for you to scan text and convert its most important parts into informational forms with just one click. This tool selects the most relevant parts from your long articles and documents with the help of AI-based algorithms and ensures that the resulting summary matches your original content. You can summarize the content as key points or paragraphs, summarizing documents, articles, or letters in short paragraphs. In an AI-based algorithm, this tool uses NLP, natural language processing, to catch necessary data, and it helps you maintain the original context of your paragraph. With the help of good modes like key sentences and paragraph mode, this tool makes the best summary of your text. Key sentence mode. It scans your articles and selects important sentences. You can choose the number of sentences you want to summarize using its summary length slider feature. Paragraph mode picks the summarized text and converts it into small paragraphs to make your document more readable or attractive. So this tool gives you a natural summary where you can also determine the length of the summary with the help of a slider. You can use this summary tool with many sources such as sections, articles, or research papers, and it provides the information you want to obtain. Features of Quillbot. Comes with the best AI technology. There are many amazing tools like Quillbot Summarizer. Free as well as in paid versions. They provide their extension for Google Chrome, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word. Pricing of Quillbot monthly, $4.95 yearly, $39.95. Pros and cons of Quillbot. Pros. 85% of the students responded that their rank improved after using Quillbot. Good customer support if you face any problems. 100% money-back guarantee if you don't like their tools. Cons. You can't summarize the long text in the free plan. You get the best results only in its paid plans. 6. Split Brain Summary Tool. With the help of this tool, you can summarize your content in 39 different languages. The best feature of the Split Brain tool is that here you can directly copy and paste text as well as article, blog URL into its dashboard. It will provide you with a summary, and if you are searching for the main keywords in the article, then this tool also provides you a keywords list of that article. Here you also get a summarization ratio feature to make a difference in summaries, which you can adjust from 5% to as much as 80%. And Split Brain's tool is also not able to import and export files that we can count as its main drawback. And the main advantage of using this tool is that you can use this tool with an ads-free experience, best for students working on their school projects. Features of Split Brain ads-free experience. You can make summaries of the blog post and online articles with its URL feature. You can make summaries as well as to detect the main keywords of the text. Supports 39 different languages. Pros and cons of Split Brain. Pros: user-friendly interface, free to use, provide summaries and keywords of the given text. You can control the density of the paraphrasing from 5 to 80%. Cons: you can't import and export files. On number 7 there is Text Compactor. Text Compactor is one of the best summarizing tools which provide you best services when it comes to summarizing any content. This free online summarization tool was designed to accommodate struggling readers to process an enormous amount of knowledge. If you are unable to obtain the summary you need, you may use this method to set the percentage and obtain the summary that meets your needs. No need for registration, and also you experience the ads-free service. This tool calculates the frequency of each word in the passage you have pasted in the box, and after frequency count, a score is provided to each sentence. The sentence which has the most frequency count is considered important. The tool comes with a translation feature, and here you get to see a percentage slider, which allows you to summarize the percentage of content that is copied. The drawback of this tool is that they have a word limit of 500 words. But if you want summaries according to percentage, or if you want an ad-free experience, then this tool is best for you. Features of Text Compactor ads-free experience, summary percentage meter. Pros and cons of Text Compactor. Pros: its present meter is best to make summaries according to you. Provide great summaries with the best selection system. Cons: words limit. You can't import and export files. Now let's move to our next tool, which is Summarizer. Summarizer is one of the best summarizing tools that help you to summarize your content online. The Summarizer tool is a Chrome extension that checks online content on your browser. You can check any length text online with the help of this tool. Summarizer's main aim is to save your time while reading long articles online. It highlights the main sentences on the article to help you. You can even summarize the long text of your PDF's format to save your time by reading the whole PDF. Let me make it clear: do you feel bored reading long text or blog articles online? If yes, then you must add this Chrome extension to your browser. But in this tool, you can't copy or paste your offline document, or you don't have the option to export or import files. It only helps for online articles or any text. Features of Summarizer: automated imperial to metric converter for lengths and weights, beyond all places. Improved Summarizer will detect sentences thoroughly. Pros and cons of Summarizer. Pros: best Chrome extension for online articles. One-click summary generator. Simple to use. Best for getting summaries from blogs, newsletters, PDFs, etc. Cons: you can't import, export files. Only available for Chrome browser. Our number 9 tool is SummarizBot. SummarizBot is a modern tool that provides you with accurate text summaries of any text that you want, making large parts of the text easy to digest in a summarized form. English, Chinese, Russian, Japanese, Arabic, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, etc., and many other languages are supported by the SummarizBot tool. This tool is loaded with features. It supports all the formats from audio, image files, along with text files. SummarizBot recognizes the word and the meaning of the information. After it measures the importance of each word in the context and describes the most relevant sentences. This tool is best for businesses because if you have unstructured data, then with the help of this tool you can structure the data in the best way with a click. They use technologies like machine learning, AI, and blockchain to make your experience better with this tool. This platform is also ad-free, easy to use, and if you are doing research you can save your time with the help of this tool. Here you can use the SummarizerBot tool with text, media, audio, and other file types. There is an amazing feature in this tool of keyword extraction, which is best for bloggers or content creators. Features of SummarizBot: they have the best summary tool which generates the best summaries of your text. Their keyword extraction feature is amazing. This supports other features like news summaries, key fragment list, summary size, and you can save, download your results. Pros and cons of SummarizBot. Pros: best summarizer. Supports all languages. You can import or export all the formats along with media formats. You can save your work. Support system is available there. Audio summarization cons. There are no such cons of this tool, so you can use it. This tool is free and provides the best services. On 10 we will discuss about Free Summarizer. Free Summarizer is the tool where you can directly copy and paste your content and it will create a good summary of your content. Here you can only customize the number of sentences you want in your summary. Free Summarizer also has a proofreading tool that will help you to check your summary before submitting it on any platform. This tool works best for its summarizer tool and not as a proofreading tool. The list of proofreading tools can fix your mistakes, so you have to use these tools as well. Features of Free Summarizer. This tool works best as a summarizer. You can only select a number of sentences in this tool. Pros and cons of Free Summarizer. Pros: adds free user experience, simple copy pastes manually. Contains summarizing tool plus proofreading tool. Cons: limited features. 11. Smmry. Smmry is a platform that allows you to see and understand summaries in a very efficient and effective manner. This tool tries to adapt the essential contents of your text to the meaning of your subject using its core algorithm. Here you can see all of the features that can be used to make an excellent summary. You can use a variety of settings in Smmry to create a perfect summary of your content. Smmry is the tool where you get the option to import files and URLs to get instant results. Tool work best for online work. The best thing is that you don't have to edit content by using URL upload. Simply copy the blog or article URL and paste it into the URL section to see the performance. There are other settings as shown in Fig by which you can adjust what type of summary you want. Features of Smmry. Adds free tool. User experience is good, its core algorithm works perfectly. Pros and cons of Smmry. Pros: comes with different settings. The best feature of the Smmry tool is its import and export capabilities, as well as URL insertion. Cons: there are no drawbacks to using Smmry. 12. Auto Summarizer. If you're low on time, the Auto Summarizer tool will come in handy, because you won't have to worry about plagiarism with this tool. You can choose the number of sentences in your summary as well as a few other options in this tool. This tool also supports a variety of languages and includes an AI paraphrasing feature. The free tool does not support the import and export functions, and you do not need to register to use it online. Let me tell you something. This tool is fantastic for summarizing any text. However, to use this tool without ads, you must have an ad blocker installed on your browser. You can use Auto Summarizer via API, which connects their app and website to make it simple to generate content summaries. This summarizing tool mostly deals with text posts. You must enter sentences into the tool, and you can pick the number of sentences you want in your text. It will then provide you with the best description from the text you provided. Features of Auto Summarizer tool. You only can adjust the number of sentences. Comes with an AI paraphrasing feature. Pros and cons of Auto Summarizer tool. Pros: Summarizer plus paraphrasing tool. Easy to use interface. Cons: you have to install an ad blocker to use this tool. Do not support import or export features. Let's move to our next tool, which is Summarizing tool. Summarizing tool is one of the best summarizers available, allowing you to create a good summary by condensing your long text. This tool's summarized text includes key sentences that provide a summary of the whole text you pasted into it. This tool will transform 3 to 4 paragraphs into a great summary. Anything you need to summarize for official work with this tool. The text is extremely precise and useful in creating a summary of any material. The great thing about this tool is that it understands the article and prepares a perfect summary of it rather than converting the context of your text. Many features are included in this tool, including the ability to display the best sentences based on the ratings, as well as the ability to set the summarization percentage. This tool converts your text into the format you want and also generates sequences according to the ranking of the sentence. This tool's AI conducts sentence ranking by examining optimizations, word collection, consistency, and algorithm structure. Sentences are selected as important in the text based on this score. Features of Summarizing tool. Comes with a plagiarism checker, domain authority checker, paraphrasing tools. You can import .doc, docx, .pdf, .txt. Pros and cons of summarizing tool. Pros: amazing summaries, import and export files. You can select the summarization percentage. Ranking wise sentences. Cons: there are ads on this platform, so you have to use ad blocker. Number 14 is text summarization. Text summarization keeps your summers as simple as possible. This tool scans your text and creates a decent summary for you, much like the other tools on this list that use AI-based algorithms to create summaries of your content. Simply copy and paste your text into this app, and it will scan your content and convert it into the number of sentences you specify. This tool usually works well for you, but there are moments when it does not. To get an immediate overview, you can enter the URLs of blogs and web papers. You can use its API for free, with a daily limit of 100 requests. This app is simple to use, and it allows you to import and export files. However, there are advertisements on this website. Feature of text summarization. You can insert URLs, import and export files. You can select a number of sentences. Pros and cons of text summarization. Pros: its free API plan allows you to make 100 requests a day. User-friendly interface. Cons: you have to face ads on this platform. You can face issues sometimes here. Number 15. Tools for Noobs. Tools for Noobs is a website where you can find a variety of helpful widgets and scripts for your blog or website. Its article summarizer feature is also very useful, as it allows you to copy and paste text directly, as well as insert the blog URL. You can customize the summary form, and you can trim the summary based on relevant keywords using the threshold function, which ranges from 1 to 100. Other functions include the ability to change the number of clauses, characters, and words in the summary. This tool enlarges the most important words in your content and emphasizes them based on keywords and relevance. You will see a wide variety of settings in this tool, and it will provide you with an ad-free experience. Features of Tools for Noobs. Free widgets and scripts for your blog or website. You can trim your summary according to you. Wide range of settings. Pros and cons of Tools for Noobs. Pros: ads-free and user-friendly experience. Support is good, option of insertion of URLs. Cons: there are no clear drawbacks to this tool in terms of free utilities. Now, let's move to our last but not the least summarizing tool, which is HelpFaPaper. HelpFaPaper is the last tool on our list. HelpFaPaper is a multi-purpose summarizing application that allows you to produce a description of any document and generate summaries that are free of plagiarism. In addition to a summary, you can extract keywords from a text and have it automatically construct short sentences. The length of the summary varies depending on the stage of development. Quotes, examples, paraphrases, and reasonings are all examples of development. You can also choose the number of sentences from this menu. Features of HelpFaPaper. This tool works well and fast. You can choose a number of sentences. You can make summaries without plagiarism. The best feature is you can extract keywords. Pros and cons of HelpFaPaper. Pros: you get an easy-to-use interface with no ads. Customer support is awesome. Keyword generator plus summarizer plus paraphrase generator. Cons: some advanced features are unavailable on this platform, but if you purchase a paid package, you can have a better experience with this tool. I hope you enjoyed this list of tools and now understand the significance of summarizers. To make a good overview, use the best summarizing tips. Know what summarizing means and the methods you should use before using either of these tools. Here are a few strategies to screen your work and ensure you won't get the literary material back until combing the content. 1. Always give the content a title. 2. At the start of the text, manually list the author's name. 3. Make sure the author's argument or core material is mentioned in your own words in the first sentence or two of your summary. 4. Specific examples and minor details should be removed. 5. Personal comments and opinions should not be used in the summary because they can affect the meaning of the whole statement. 6. If you intend to use an author's vocabulary, make sure you include them in quotation marks. 7. The first 2 or 3 paragraphs of the summary should always be written in your own language, words. So let's move to the conclusion of this list. You'll need a summarizing method to work on an article, analytical paper, or survey, whether you're a student or a teacher, a writer, or a journalist. These summarizing software would make it easier for you to make instant summaries of your content, and I recommend that bloggers, Content writers must use these tools before writing their summaries in the blog's conclusion portion. Now I'm waiting for your answer. What are your thoughts on this list? Perhaps I overlooked one of your favorite tools. In any case, please let me know in the comment section below.